severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Imran to near Reading Center, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hector, Starkey, Covert, Genoa,